Welcome, coaster spotters, to another tour, this time at Malibu Jack's Indoor Theme Park. This is the Louisville version, but it's very similar to the Lexington location. Let's go ahead, check everything out, see all the rides they have to offer. Well, first thing you see this awesome rabbit on a surfboard with these rockets going. That's pretty cool. Anyways, here are the prices for most of the attractions. And then we'll show you the arcade, all the attractions. All right, here's the mini golf. Very nicely themed. We'll show you a few more shots. You want? So we actually played the mini golf and it was actually quite fun. Pretty simple, but a fun time. So let's show you the rest of the thing. You can see they have some really cool arcade games. I love how they have these old arcade games that don't have to have an attendant, but you know, they get the carnival feel. They have the X-Rider, which is a motion simulator type ride, non-interactive. As you can see, they have a bunch of films that you can choose from. Wall of China, Dining Safari, Horror Park, King Python Coaster, Toy Ride, and Snow Coaster 2, not to be confused with Snow Coaster 1. You have the Hollywood Speedway with the go-karts. They seem like they're okay speeds. They're not too fast. They're all electric. You have this huge all-star shootout basketball game. And these huge claw games. Here is Laser Invasion, which is one of these things where you have to go through and there's a bunch of lasers shining and you have to avoid touching them. So $8 it looks like. We'll show you the rest of the arcade in a little bit. You have the Spin Zone, which are the bumper cars. They're kind of like bumper boats, but on land. There you go. They're fun because sometimes they just take over and they spin randomly. You have the Wave Rider, which is your Himalaya type ride. Those are fun. They spin really fast and kind of just push you to the side of the wall. So it looks like most of the attractions are on the edge of the facility. This used to be like a Walmart or a Target, and they converted it into this entertainment place. You have the Bounce Beach, which is your kids' play area, which looks fun. Lots of inflatable stuff, a playground to go around. You have this absolutely adorable teeny tiny pirate ship, which was only $3.50. Looks like, right, oh, and here your birthday party area. So of course you can book a birthday party here. All right, let's go through the arcade a little bit more, show you some of the arcade machines that they have. A lot of the normal stuff. Of course, you have the Halo Fire Team Raven, which is an excellent game. Always play that one. You have your Hologate, which is an interactive multiplayer virtual reality game. These are super fun. That's really cool right there, that little hologram there. Take a look at what you do there. There you go. Oh, and the really cool thing is you actually can play against people all around the world that have this game and other facilities similar. Probably you can play with the Lexington version. Oh, look, a Tomb Raider game? Never seen that before. That's neat. Alien game, that's fun. Walking Dead. A lot of air hockey. And then Transformers, Piano Keys. They got all the modern stuff. Doesn't look like they have any classic arcade games. You know, if you want to just stroll down memory lane, doesn't look like they have that. No pinball, unfortunately. But lots and lots of games. And then here is the Twist and Shout roller coaster. So you go around this figure 8 layout like 8 times at least. I lost count. It's a lot. But here's the ride. It's a lot of fun. You spin a lot, get really dizzy.
Doing it good too.
We are.
We got it.
Then you have the XD Dark Ride. These are all over and they're super fun. You get to choose from a different few movies. Looks like they have 5 different ones. Gigamon, werewolves. It's a lot of the stuff I've seen before. I've done some of them. They're a lot of fun. You have a gun, you shoot, you get some feedback from when you hit stuff. That's a lot of fun. They have the new Monopoly game, which I absolutely love because you spin the giant dice. Look at that. Isn't that fun? There you go. Never actually played it, but it looks a lot of fun. All right, here we go. There is some stuff that is closed right now, it looks like, for COVID. You have, and then down this way, you have the Boardwalk Bowl, and then also the Food Eatery. There it is. Currently closed. I'm not sure if it's closed for COVID or if it's just closed for the night. It is kind of late. And then you have some bowling down here. Yep. So, and it's got the night stuff going on. Lots of cool LEDs and stuff as so. So, this is Malibu Jack's. It's very similar to the Lexington one, so it should mostly apply, but there might be a little bit of differences here and there. Especially with arcade lineup and all that stuff. But anyways, hopefully this video has been helpful. This has been Alex for the Coaster Spot. If you like this video, consider subscribing and liking this video, and comment down below what's your favorite indoor amusement type place. Thanks for watching. See you next time.